Hello, hi and welcome. Candid with Candida ही कार्यक्रम पळयतल्याक तुमकां सगल्यांक माय मोगाचो येवकार आनी नमस्कार. इश्टानो आदी फुडेंच नातालाची उनवणीत पोरपी अ मेरी क्रिसमस टू ऑल ऑफ यू. इश्टानो संवसारान गोंयान जायतीं बँडां उत्पन्न जालेलीं आसा आनी जायतीं वर्सां जरी तर बँड एक जोगोंक जाय जाल्यार जायतीं वर्सां लागता. एक बँड वयर येवपाक वयर सरपाक कांयच खिणां भितर जायना. इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रगल, लॉट्स ऑफ हार्ड वर्क. तर आयज आमच्या सांगाताक आसा द गोवाज मोस्ट पॉप्युलर बँड अशें म्हज्यान म्हणूं जाता बिकॉज दे आर योर चॉयस, दे आर पीपल्स चॉयस, none other than the Clay Jars. Hi, welcome. How are you all?
Good.
Fit and fine?
Yes.
All right, Merry Christmas.
Wish you the same.
All right, जायतीं जाणां विचारता, जायत्या जाणांक जाणा जावपाक जाय क्ले जार्स कशें फॉर्म जालें, क्ले जार्स केन्ना जाण आसा. सो यू नो इन दीस इंटरव्यू जायते अशे आमचे क्वेश्चन्स येतले. बट बिफोर दॅट जस्ट टू मेक आमकां एक फील मेळपाक आमच्या ऑडियन्साक एक यू नो उमेदीन हाडपाक क्रिसमस म्हणटकच तुमी जाणा तांकां जायतीं कांतारां आयकुपाक दिसता तुमचे कडसून. सो जस्ट फॉर अ फील तुमचे खंयचेय एक कांतार वील स्टार्ट विथ दॅट. आर यू ऑल रेडी फॉर इट?
Yes. तू म्हजें हांव तुजो काळजान पेटला मोगाचो तो उजो. तू म्हजें हांव तुजो तुजे विणे मोगारा वनेजो. फुलां पोरी सोबीत सुंदर तुजो रूपकार. सुर्याची किरणां फकतात तुज्या केंसार. दोळ्यांत हांव पळयतोच तुज्या दिसोना संवसार. तूं लागीं आसल्यार दिसता पावलो हांव स्वर्गार. एकूच फावटी मोग म्हजो करून तूं पडे. उखलून हाडटा तुका नखेत्रां. उणें कांयच करचो ना तुका दितलो सगलें. देखून दिमेर पडोन उद्गारता I love you.
All right, that was Clay Jars. So Clay Jars, let's quickly start with your introduction first. We'll start with Levi.
Yes. I'm Levi Da Silva. I'm the drummer of the band Clay Jars.
All right.
I'm Mayven Rodrigues and I'm the lead guitarist of the band Clay Jars.
I'm Sheena Fernandes, the female vocalist.
All right.
I'm Clinton Castanha and I'm the keyboard player.
Okay.
I'm Prince Corriea and I'm the male singer.
All right.
I'm Aaron De Silva and I'm the bassist.
All right. So welcome on our sets. Before we start, let's just quickly go ahead with the formation of the band. So kon start kotolo Levi.
It all began in 2017 when my dad was already in a band. He's the manager of this band. His name is Sylvester Da Silva. And it all started in 2017 when my dad wanted to start a band with all youngsters. And I used to play like a few numbers in his band, like whenever I got a chance.
Which was your dad's band?
He played in multiple bands, but the last band he played was Royal Status.
Okay.
Yeah, and so he left the band and wanted to start something with me in it. So he dropped out of drumming so that I could get the opportunity to step in the scene. And from there it all began in 2017. Yeah.
So start zale 2017.
Yeah.
So are these the same members or has it changed?
No, there are many who've come and gone, and yeah, for the better actually. Yeah, but this is the current lineup.
All right. Okay. Moving ahead with the Mayven. Okay. Tu kenna join zalo?
Well, I joined in 2021. I actually freelanced 2 weddings with them. And after that, in 2022, I joined as a permanent member of the band.
All right. Okay. So is it तुम पयली सद्याक सगळ्यांक बँडान येवपाक जाय ahले or is it by a fluke? Okay, कितें अशें म्हणपाक जाता म्हजें?
I always dreamt of, singing in a band. So yeah, it was God's plan and I'm here.
Okay, which was the year you joined Clay Jars?
2019.
2019. All right. Okay, Prince.
Well, even I dreamed about being in a band, and पयले अशें लायक काजरा वयताले I was in the crowd. I always dreamt of being on the stage, you know, and I got that opportunity in 2018. I joined the Clay Jazz, and this is my very first band. Before this, I was I've never been in any band or any group.
Alright. जेन्ना इतलो मोग मेवता गोंयांत अशें बायल तेन्ना कशें दिसता बिकॉज यू नो एक वयर सोदतलो मनीस जाल्यार जायते त्रास हार्डवर्क लागता जाल्यार आनी तुमी कांयच खेळना भितर लोकांच्या सगळ्याच्या काळजान रिगलेली आसा यू नो दर एका पार्टी खंय कांतार वाजता क्ले जॅजाचे आसता सो हाव डज इट फील
It's actually a proud moment for me and all the members because it's all because of people. If loka likes Allah amgele, we are good actually. That's why they loved us. And where we are today is because of all the love we receive from the people.
Alright, okay. Clinton, I want to hear it from you. Okay, tell me your journey.
I joined in 2024.
पयलीसान बँडानूय येवपा जाय आसलो
हय हांव पयलीं बँडा आहलो. This is my second band.
Okay.
I was in Grand Cruise. मागीर तें तेज फाटल्यान मागीर म्हाका चान्स पडलो.
So how does it feel now?
Very
Because
nice.
clay jazz is like, you know, on the top, like, कितें दिसता
बरें दिसता.
लोक अवकता तेन्ना
हय.
Alright, okay. Aaron?
I joined in 2023. बरें दिसता प्राउड फिलींग आसलें सारकें and with the long hair on the stage different feeling.
What's your showmanship, man? How do you do it?
Head banging.
Alright, okay. Alright, moving ahead with other questions. जायती तुमची न्यू सॉंग्स येता सो हे लिरिक्स कोणाचे आसता
Lyrics हांव बरयता composing.
ओके वॉट अबाउट द ट्यून यू नो एक टायम आसलो जेन्ना यू नो कांतारा क्लिक जायना बट नाव इफ यू गो टू सी तुमची सगळीं कांतारा क्लिक जालेली आहा एंड पीपल यू नो ते लायता प्ले कोता पती पती सो फ्रॉम वेर डू यू स्टार्ट पेनिंग डावन ऑल दीज लिरिक्स इज स्टोरी वायज
Story wise, it all comes to me, and the only thing I want is that maknaka like all the songs same sound jalali. I want it to sound different. Like कोणे म्हणपाशीर कोणाला oh my god तें song तेज भाशेन sound जाता. So maybe because of that experiment it sounds different and people like it.
Alright, the last song was Baby Girl, if I'm not wrong,
Yes,
correct?
yes.
Alright, आणि तुजी तितून स्पेशल एंट्री हा and you know ती स्पेशल एंट्री पळोवपाक ल्हान भुरगीं पासून रावता so how do you feel?
It feels good because you know whenever I'm up on stage and all people you know point out at me and you know they sing the song because I'm the baby girl in the song so you know yeah.
Alright, okay. Now tell me about your struggles, how it has been because जायते म्हाका त्रास लागला दिसता म्हाका वयर सरपा so what were your struggles and criticisms जे लोक तुमकां केन्नाय तुमी फेस केला anything?
Earlier when I joined, we didn't had any originals or any original songs, I would say. So Magi, we decided we'll do something of our own, and first we did was the medley, no? Yeah, we did a medley and that received a lot of love. So that was actually a medley of a cover song. So after that I'm chintila like why not make a original new composition of our own. So that's when we created Tuja Mogan, and from there our success started.
Alright.
Earlier it was like we were playing all the other songs and all like that.
Alright, okay. आता जेन्ना हांव विचारीत जाल्यार you want to add something? Alright.
Since I've been there from the start, this band has faced a lot of struggles when it comes to getting shows in the start because no one trusts
Correct.
a new
Very
band giving them a stage. So I remember my dad and our sound guy Olav, they would go like to different places and ask the organizers, you know, can we play on this stage? Will you give us an opportunity? And we were always turned down for that opportunity. And we, you know, wanted that stage. We always saw big bands play and we wanted to be there. And now that you know God has blessed us with so many shows, from no shows to no free days, I would say. Even today we are playing in the same venue, and it feels good, you know. And we're very grateful for this blessing. Yeah, that's all I would like to say.
Okay, alright. Another question would be, you know, जायते स्ट्रगल करून तुमी वयर पावल्या म्हणटकच जायते हार्डशिप्स वयताली यू नो इट्स युअर फादर्स सॅक्रिफायस बिकॉज ही सॅक्रिफायस इज ड्रम सेट बिकॉज ऑफ युअर फ्युचर ऑलरायट आनी जेन्ना तूं वयर सरता म्हणटकच पीपल ऑलवेज सी यू जायते फावटी न्यू कमर्स म्हणल्यार ते चान्स दिना सोंपेपणी एंड यू आर वन ऑफ द बँड लायक यू नो यू आर वे अहेड तुमी केन्ना चिंतलेले आमी ते स्टँडर्डा पावतले म्हणून
I never imagined us to reach where we are right now because you know there are many times when people say oh y'all didn't sound good or y'all don't play good music and sometimes it breaks our heart because we give our all while performing. May it be a few people on the dance floor or the full packed dance floor. But yeah, it was those small criticisms that you know pushed us to strive for where we are today. And yeah, we are grateful for all the lovers, all the haters, and yeah, cheers.
All right, straight away a message for haters as well. All right, what's the best part? What's an advantage of singing in a band or playing for a band? What would you say?
I would say Janna to famous sada no. Whenever you go out with your family or alone, maybe in a market or somewhere else, people will come to take pictures. People will say, "Hi, Prince from Klejas, right?" So that's our proud moment for us and even for our families.
All right, okay. Aaron, if I ask you what would be your disadvantage, then what would you say? Playing for a band or singing for a
Go
band?
out just like that.
I can't party, I can't go out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, okay. Jenna, जायते ट्रूप जेन्ना लंडनाक वयता UK वयता वो आनी हूंय प्ले करपा वयता वाजपा वयता आनी तुमी सदां म्हणटा यू नो की आमी थंय पावपा जाय फायनली यू गॉट दॅन ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी वॉट वॉज द मोमेंट दॅट टायम
It's actually a big achievement for us because Soda waspa de Paule at last. And there the crowd also reacts in a different way. So the love we receive there is on a different level. It's like you are actually treated like a celebrity there.
Celebrity feeling, huh?
Yeah, true.
Okay, how much do you believe in originality?
I feel like when you're playing cover music, I think any band can play cover music, but originals is something where you have to use your own creativity. I'm not saying that there's no creativity in cover music, but here actually you have to put in your ideas for the entire thing. For cover music you can add like small ideas in between, but for originals I feel like there's more effort that's put in. So I feel originality has a slight upper hand when it comes
What
to
would be your upcomings?
that's a surprise.
Surprise!
I'm telling you, it's worth the wait. It's worth the wait. It's worth the wait. Yeah.
People are watching now. They'll wait for more from Clay Jazz. All right, okay. What has been your showmanship on stage? Who's the lead and who's on the bass?
Lead guitarist.
Lead and two bass. All right. So what's your showmanship?
You can say playing the lead. I mostly love playing the lead of Summer of '69, and yeah, headbanging also, along with Aaron.
He just plays more with his fingers.
Yeah, I'd let my fingers do the talking.
All right. Since you are all teenagers, आता कोणाचे चड फॅन झालेले हा कोण? From among all you guys, सारखे फॅन कोणाचे हा चड?
Prince, yeah.
Prince, yeah, Prince.
No, first will be Prince.
So
Yeah.
I should say the girls are for Prince and the guys are
Yeah,
for
yeah,
Sheena.
you can say.
All right, and who is the youngest one? You? Okay, how do you feel with all these people around?
In the start, I felt like a kid. Now I'm feeling like I'm in place with them. Like not much of
No,
a
you
difference.
said in the start you felt like a kid. So now?
Now I feel like okay, maybe I'm not yet where they are, but now I understand what they speak. Before it used to be like, what are these
used to bully
jokes? Yeah, no, they would not bully me, but they would have their inside jokes, and I was small, so I couldn't understand. I'm like, what jokes these people are cracking? But now I understand even the silence. I understand that there's a joke somewhere.
Become a family now.
Yeah,
Alright.
they're all family to me.
All right, okay. You know, Jenna, everybody like, especially when I used to go somewhere and all, hey, tu ek Clay Jazz as a drummer poila, like that question used to be there. So you are in that force, that you know, that energy level. Huisa eta. Who's the inspiration?
It all comes from above. I'm really blessed when it comes to this because I started off very young. I started off at 4, and my dad trained me in the start, and that's all where it began. And from there, it's all hard work and you know, all the time put into practice. And yeah, I think it all pays off someday when you practice. And yeah, for all the ones watching and striving to be somewhere, keep practicing. Don't let anyone put you down. Just keep practicing, and one day you'll be where you want to be.
Okay, what's the family support that you all guys have? He told me he's bad. So, what is the support from your family?
My dad has been my biggest support, and whenever like I have a show and all, he's always there to help me. And yeah, since the start, even my grandma, she's also been a big support to me. My mom also, and yeah, every time like they see me on stage, I know that they are always happy and they are proud.
For me, it will be my mom. She's like the pillar. So if they guys mag support Corona, I would not be here. Yeah, it's not only her, other family members also.
You'll have a lot of backing from your family members. You?
Well, I would say my mom and dad. जेन्ना म्हाका फर्स्ट टायम सिल्वेस्टरान कॉल केलें लायक प्रिन्स आमकां एक सिंगर जायो हांवें मामी वचून सांगलें घरा कडेन सो शी एट फर्स्ट शी वॉज लायक यूल बी एबल टू डू इट लायक वचपा जाता तुजे कडेन लायक रातीको येवपा पडटा वचपा पडटा देन डॅड वॉज लायक लेट हिम गो let him give it a try and from there like and from now from where we are today like there has been a lot of support from my family, my dad, mom, my sister, and even from other relatives as well. Like it's a proud moment for them because they can tell everyone else also he's my son.
Proudly.
Like that. Yeah.
Aaron?
My grandfather used to play the violin
Alright.
before, and magi teko sojayat singila hu. So while coming, growing stage, and
You know, you all are from somewhere or the other from musical background, like.
yeah. That's why it's in the blood.
Alright, Clinton. Last but not the least.
My mom and dad are my biggest support. Mak daddy in game dille keyboard.
Okay. Alright.
Actually mak kadi to like asana keyboard play.
So आता सारखी proud feel जाता.
Oh, jata.
Alright, okay. Before we go ahead with your insights, like तुमचे likes, dislikes, आमच्या audience कळपा. Last, what do you have to say for the viewers who have, तुमकां ह्या लेवलाचेर पावयला आनी तुमकां कितें सांगपाक जाय तांकां?
Okay, so we would like to say a big thank you सगल्या लोकांक आमके कोण songs चोयताय आमकां तूं मोग दिल तुमी सगल्या गोंयकारां पासत कोण UK आहाय आख्या संवसारा आहाय तांकां सगल्यांक तुमी क्ले जॅझा हेतू मोग दिल म्हूण आम तुमकां काळजान तावन देव बरें करूं म्हणटाय आनी एशिको आमकां मोग दीत रावय आनी आम तुमचे पासत बरें म्युजीक आनी songs मुखार हाडीत रावतले.
Alright, before we go ahead, a big shout out to Sylvester, who is the man behind all this. And a father has sacrificed his drumming for the sake of the child's future. So hats off to you, Sylvester, for all these wonderful musicians, upcoming musicians, the future of Goa. Alright, we'll start with the rapid fire quickly. Are you all set?
Yes.
Alright, before we go ahead with the rapid fire, a glance or insights into your personal life. How much do you all know each other? Okay? Rehearsally, where are last person to arrive? You can point out or say anything. Alright, who's the first one to arrive?
Levi.
Alright. Okay, sword kon uloita? Who's the most talkative?
Aaron, yeah. It's Aaron.
And who talks the least? Clinton. Can make out. Okay. If in a group chatan poilo respond, kon kota?
Prince.
Who never responds?
Levi.
Okay, who's the best to travel with?
Everyone.
Everyone.
Everyone loves them.
Agree? Okay, sword haupa kona like that? Okay, who gets most of the shouting? Sword, Tapsane. Oh my god, are you serious? Yeah. Alright, okay. Sword, chedwa konachi fan asa? Okay, that question is already answered way before. Who's the wildest member of the band if I ask? Okay. Who's the goofball of stage?
I think it's a Prince. I think he's very goofy.
All right, okay. One weird thing that you all have done for a song of yours.
This is when we were shooting for I Love You, and when we started off, it was like broad daylight, no signs of rain. But as we came to the end of the shoot, the clouds slowly started forming, and it rained very heavily. As soon as we finished the shoot, it rained. And it was very weird because in the start there was nothing,
Yeah,
like
you
no
see it on
signs
the
of rain.
video also,
Yeah.
fully
You see
sunny.
it on the video also, fully sunny.
Who's deciding on the costumes and all that?
Mostly Prince.
And where
Not
do you
mine.
get-
Not mine.
All right, okay. Prince, describe awakening in 3 words.
Yeah, tiring.
Second one.
For me, when I get up, it's I can't talk actually.
Third one.
Third one.
More sleep.
Okay. Jenna उठून फोन पळयता केन्नाय तूं?
Yeah.
So any artist जो तुका आंसयता?
Sorry, bye.
Yeah, sorry, my favorite Konkani movie.
Okay, first person to believe in your music.
My mom.
Okay, what was the story behind?
It's like actually I was into dance first.
Dance.
Yeah, I was in a dance group.
तेन्ना तुमचे steps बा match जाता Okay, all right.
So songs mix करपा जाय पडटालीं डान्साक. So मुगे फ्रेंडान एक software घेतलेलो. So from there I borrowed the software from him and I started mixing the songs. So I discovered that I can make own music also on that software. So I music kelo. There was one song Mogachi Kani. So for that I did the music at home only on the PC. And I sing kelen teje. And the first person I showed that song was my mom, and she really liked it. Take likes ale. And the second one was my best friend. He's actually my neighbor. His name is Candida. Tek dakwele. So he was like, let's make a video. आणि मागी video केला आमी आणि मागीर ते things आमगे singing journey start जाली. Like
Alright.
from there people started recognizing my singing.
Okay, which is one song you listen to on a repeat? Secretly, ah?
Secretly. Still Got the Blues
Okay, why?
by Gary Moore. I like the feel and
तू secretly ऐकता राहते सगळी जाणां तू ऐकता मग. All right, okay. Sheena, if you weren't a singer, what would you do right now?
I would be a dancer probably.
Dancer.
Yeah. Or
Right,
a model
okay.
maybe.
Okay. एक favorite vocalist जाच्या सांगाता तुका collab करपा जाय.
Maybe Adele.
Okay. Have you done any weird thing for a song? In your makeover thing or anything?
Weird thing.
Yeah.
Nothing weird.
Nothing weird. Okay. Who is your biggest support system?
My mom.
All right. Okay. Mayven, your guitar's nickname.
I have an other guitar which I don't use now mostly, but I used to call it Bluey. Actually, but nobody knows this now. Yeah, nobody knows it, but I used to call it
I
Bluey.
started now. Okay. Have you ever broken a string on stage?
Yes, many times. Many times.
Okay. What's a weird sound you get from the guitar?
Sound like something called a pinch harmony. What I do on stage.
Okay. If your guitar could talk, what would it say?
Maybe play me right always.
Okay, Clinton. If your keyboards could be a character, any character, who would it be? It would be Prince.
I like that.
Oh, brass from Prince వస్తారు.
Okay, which is the hardest instrument to play in a band?
for him it's actually keyboard. For him it's guitar.
Me everything.
Alright.
Even for me everything.
Alright. Aaron, what is music?
I love.
Okay, what do you do before start of a show?
We pray actually.
Pray. Alright, okay, that is good. Okay, last but not the least, the drummer boy, Levi. Drum वाजता तेन्ना केन्ना तरी तुजी drumstick सांडल्या, मोडल्या?
Too many times.
किती
Too many
होता?
times. Before I used to not keep any extra sticks, so I would like signal to my dad like my stick is not there. I'm playing with one hand now. So then he would slowly arrange like for another stick while I'm playing. But now I keep because I break too many sticks now.
Okay, acoustic or electronic, your beat?
acoustic all the time. I don't like electronic.
Epic drum solo you played.
A drum solo I played. I don't really get to play a drum solo. The only thing I actually get to like show off drums is Summer of 69 in the end. Yeah,
All right, okay.
that's it.
All right, well answered. I'm moving ahead with the game round. All right, before we go ahead with the final round, that is the gaming round. Last question, Mazo, Aicha Disag. Clay jazz. You know, Fatlan, what is the history behind this name, Clay jazz?
Okay, this is one question we get asked a lot, and I wish my dad was here to tell the actual thing, but I'll still brief you on it. This name Clay Jazz comes from the Bible, and when my dad was searching for a name, he asked God, I want a name. So he opened the Bible, and in bold, in bold letters, it was written Clay Jazz.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So dad thought about it, like, what could Clay Jazz be? So then he came to a conclusion. It means that we are all made of mud, clay.
Okay.
Okay, and we are like earthen vessels, and God has put a talent in each of us.
All right.
Okay, so all together we are clay jars.
All right. So Clay jazz, are you all ready for my final game?
Yes.
All right. So आता game simple. Y'all 6 of y'all. तिक तिक जाणांची तुम्ही आता पार्टी आसता कहले पळय ते भाशेन तिक तिक जाणांची एक पार्टी करपाची. So 3 people in one group, 3 people in the other group. Choose by your own self. All right. There are 2 groups. Okay. One is this side and the other one is this side. Game is simple. 30 seconds आसतले तुमकडे. ओके आणि एकल्यान कोणें तुमी चूज करपाचो आनी क्रिसमस फादर ताका जा म्हणपाचो सो तुमी ताका हेल्प करपाचें न्हेसोवपाक. ओके. सो which side should I start with?
That's it. That's it. Hey, youngster.
I think
ladies first.
Okay, we start with Levi this side. Okay, so who's going to be the Christmas father?
I'll be.
Okay, so this is the costume and soglo ulta ha. So 30 seconds ha. So you need to help teka dress up korpa. And your time starts now. It is all ulta. You have only 30 seconds.
Yes.
Come on, Clinton. Hey, 30 seconds, huh? Hey, time's up! And what do you do after doing this? You say, at least say Merry Christmas to them, man.
Merry Christmas!
Alright, well done, man, Levi. So 30 seconds, okay? And your time starts now. ये तो उल्टा हाथ इसको दे ये तो कोट भी उल्टा
अरे गे
मुझे 30 सेकंड ये तो 30 सेकंड
अरे यार
Christmas father has died. Alright, thank you, Prince. Thank you. Alright, and the winner is Amche Golden Chuckle.
Yes!
So, congratulations, guys. Well done, Prince.
Boys better.
Alright, and guys, one last time, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Wish you the same.
Well, I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear the sleigh bells in the snow. Well, I'm dreaming of a white Christmas. With every Christmas card I write, may your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white. Satwo rancher, ami holad paolole, kazar dawan kabar modon ready zalole. Sut but galun seba sogle gormen budole. Ata moche pizon koi karamin nachat rautele. Tur tumi nacha, eka meka khasai. Nachon gaun kazaria fuloya, hoy bore jeya, kopa bigeya. Pun khodlar boson choina kai sogli nacho ye. Tur tumi nacha, eka meka khasai. Nachon gaun kazaria fuloya. Hoy bore jeya, kopa bigeya. Pun khodlar boson choina kai sogli nacho ye. Choy kai borem bawa band wajota, dusre साइडीन घोस्ताचे मरे जेवण शिजवता. सोयरी दायरी आणि सोगली शेजारी, अरे बरेच नाचून गोंयचो आमचो मांडो फुलयता. तर तुम्ही नाचा, एकामेका खासाय, नाचून गावन काजारिया फुलोवया. होय बरेचे याय, कोपा बिगेयाय. पुण खोलार बसून चोयना काय सगळी नाचो ये. तर तुम्ही नाचा, एकामेका खासाय, नाचून गावन काजारिया फुलोवया. होय बरेचे याय, कोपा बिगेयाय. पुण खोलार बसून चोयना काय सगळी नाचो ये.
All right, this is a small token of appreciation from the team Prudent. So this is for Clayjazz. A Merry Christmas to you all, and a small gift from all of us.
Thank you so much.
First of all, a big thank you to Candida for inviting us to this show and giving us this opportunity to tell people more about ourselves so that everyone knows us better. And yeah, we are really grateful for this opportunity and this invitation. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas.
Last, your reaction when I just say one word, okay? All right, 1, 2, 3, your reaction for the day. Oh, it's too much. Oh, it's too much, Clayjazz. All right, it's time to say goodbye. Adios. Thank you so much. Keep watching Candid with Candida only on Prudent.